In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Squarespace to Google Sheets. We'll set up a clean, reliable spot on your Squarespace page where your Google Sheets integration code or embed can live. Then preview and save it safely. Start by opening your Squarespace website and navigating to the page where you want the Google Sheets data to appear. Enter the page editor by clicking Edit. This puts the page into an editable state and reveals all the layout controls you'll need. Next, add a new area dedicated to the integration. Click Add Section and choose Add Blank. A blank section keeps things tidy and avoids unexpected styling from pre-built layouts, which is especially helpful when you're embedding custom code or an external script. Inside that new section, click Add Block. A panel opens with all the available blocks. Use the search field and start typing, so Squarespace highlights matching options. You're looking for the code block. When you see code highlighted, click it to insert the block into your section. A code editor will appear, often with a small placeholder snippet like, "Hello World." Click into the editor to select the placeholder. This is the exact spot where you'll paste your Google Sheets embed or your integration script from the tool you're using. If your plan is to embed a published Google Sheet, this is where the embed HTML goes. If you're using a connector script from a service, paste that here as well. Keep your snippet clean and double-check for extra spaces or missing tags before proceeding. Confirm that the block is set to code, not markdown or anything else, so Squarespace treats your content correctly. If the editor highlights your code or shows syntax coloring, that's a good sign it recognizes it properly. Make any minor adjustments you need while you're still in the editor. Before publishing, use Preview in Safe mode. This Squarespace feature loads the page without custom extensions, which helps you verify the basic structure and catch obvious issues without interference. If the layout looks right, and there are no errors in the preview, you're ready to keep the change. Click Save to commit your edits to the page. Give it a moment to apply, especially if your integration needs to fetch data. Finally, click Exit to leave the editor and view your page normally. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep a copy of your code in a notes file so you can revert easily. Test on a staging or hidden page if possible, and remember that embeds may take a moment to refresh. That's it. Your Squarespace page is now set up to host your Google Sheets integration cleanly and safely.